First up on our list, the 1968 Camaro, 39.5 out of Clarksville, Tennessee. Now this one here is for sale. It's recently detailed restoration. Body is straight solid, a V8. Definitely not driven those miles. It's just right there in Clarksville. Let's look through some of these pictures. Looks like the seats have been redone. Aftermarket steering wheel, automatic. Cover for the spare. Power steering, power brakes. She looks pretty clean. SS emblems. Yellow with an aftermarket set of Kragers. Not too bad. What do y'all think? Deal or no deal? At 39.5. Says it runs and drives good. Next up, 1965 Ford Mustang, 22.5. Now, this is saying it's a 6-cylinder car. You got a manual top, power steering, and all the gauges works. Manual brakes. 100,000 miles. Yeah, you can't stand behind the mileage on these cars, guys. Smyrna, Tennessee. Flipping through some pictures here. It looks pretty good. Fairly stock-looking car. Seats are clean. Interior looks clean. Carpet's faded. I don't know. What do y'all think? Is this a deal or no deal? On to the next. Now we got a 1968 Dodge Charger for $24,000. This one was 383 big block. No engine or trans. Wow. Was running and driving 5 years ago. Sold the engine separate. Transmission a Hemi swap. But health issues. That's sad. Well, it looks like it needs floor pans, trunk pans, and all the goodies. She's in Springfield. Let's go through some of these pictures. Yeah, she definitely got some rust. I know these are desirable cars. Looks like they put a patina on top of the rust. Yeah, she's shiny. This guy's got a lot of stuff at his house. Interior. Oh, wow, it's gutted. No carpet. This is a total project car. But what do you think? Is it worth the price? Let me know below in the comments. No motor. Engine bay is pretty clean. This one here is going to be a lot of work to get it back on the road. Hey, KDF sticker. Trunk, can hardly tell from the picture, but it looked a little rusty. Yeah, I don't know what y'all think. 24 grand. Deal or no deal? All right, let's head on over to the next car. 1971 Dodge Charger RT sedan. This one's $23,000, marked down for $30,000. It's got a 318 3-speed. Okay. 15,000 miles. Yeah, right. Out of Nashville. I like the orange. The color is really good on this car. Looks like nice set of wheels on there. Chrome looks clean. Door panels look good. The rebel flags in the seats. It's going to be a killer for most people. 3-speed. Okay. She's a decent car. Single exhaust. Is that a deal or no deal? Again, guys, let me know in the comments. I'll try to get back with you. We're going to go ahead and go to the next car here. Now, you know we had to drop a 67 Plymouth Fury. It's convertible for 11 grand. That's not bad. Rust-free car, 318 auto, AC, body straight. Wow. Wants to trade for a mini truck, motorcycles. It's pretty open. No low ballers. And he's right here in Nashville. So let's go ahead and look at these pictures. Aftermarket set of wheels. Of course, drop top. She looks pretty straight. She's going to be a boat going down the road. Top in decent shape. Interior looks good. A little faded in the back, but it is convertible, so they do get sun beaten. Looking back over the pictures, it's actually a decent car. I think this might be the best deal of the day. What do y'all think? Let me know in the comments. We got one more to go. 1978 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. So which one is it? A Firebird or a Trans Am? I'm hoping a Trans Am. 18 grand. 33 stroker. Wow. Nope. Needs floor pans and new interior. No bikes. Maybe some muscle cars. 94,000 miles. How do you prove it? You can't. Let's look at it. Looks good there. Not bad. Okay. Little spots on the hood. I can see some fading. Well, that's just a souped up picture. She's just off in the distance there. Another souped up picture. It's hard to tell when they do that. Okay, that one's all right. Still looks like the grass is greener than normal. Yeah, all these pictures are modified, so it's hard to tell. Oh, wow. There's nothing on the interior, so you're not driving away with this one. Yeah. When he said needs interior, I thought maybe there would be some. Especially it's on the road there. Yeah, that was before they tore it out, you could see. What do y'all think? Deal or no deal? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.